Students, we are going to see the lab 1 and 1.1 and 1.2. Okay, I split into four, okay, four steps. So, and the first step is setting up the virtual box. Hope everybody have this virtual box installed. And the next step is to configure and set up the XP and the Kali, okay, setup, and then pink finally. Okay, let's see the first one. Okay, the virtual box. So virtual box is once you install, okay, you can install the OVA. Okay, OVA file I uploaded in the the shared folder. You can just download and double click, it opens and it runs Kali and XP. It's now currently running and you can see them here. Okay, so once it is installed, okay, that's it, the job is over. So only we have to change the settings of each operating system in the network settings. That I will show you when we configure XP. Okay, so the next step is to configure XP. Okay, XP IP address. Okay, so after that I will configure the VirtualBox settings, internal network settings, internal network, and disable firewall. Okay, same thing I will do with the Kali. Now we go to the XP. Okay, in the XP, normally what we see here, okay, we have a network icon assigning IP address. Okay, so the assigning IP address, we just click on the network icon here and go to the properties and click on the properties internet protocol and then assign IP address like 10.0.0.1 and just to press the tab key, automatically it comes the subnet mask. Click OK and click OK and the IP address is assigned. Okay, for example, if this icon is not available, where do we find out? Okay, this is what I explained before. Okay, the first step many students were smartly answered. Start, okay, and then control panel, and then you can just see network connections, and you can see the local area network, and then properties, and then you can assign the IP address. Okay, so this is where you can, and also you can bring back the icon. Okay, for example, you see show icon in notification area when connected. If I click, if I disable, the icon will go. Okay, so again I go back to here properties and just to make it show and it will come. Okay, close. So this is one way. The other way in the desktop. Okay, for example, in the desktop there is a network places. Double click, view network connection, and there also you can see the properties and assign IP address. Okay, so different way to assign IP address. Students, please take care because many time you miss out the assigning IP address and the IP address will not be saved and it will be a big problem. Okay, and the next step, the assigning IP address is over now. Hope you understand. And now we are going to go for the virtual network, virtual box network settings and consider internal network. Okay, so I go to the virtual box and choose the XP. Okay, and then settings. So we get the network. Okay, make it internal network and make sure all the VMs are connected. Okay, allow all VMs. Click OK. That's it from here. Okay, and then we move on to the next step, disable firewall. Okay, where is a firewall? You can see from the control panel. Okay, go to start and then control panel. You can see the firewall. Okay, and make it on and off. Okay, so for us we need, okay, for this lab we need the firewall must be switched off. Okay, that's it. Firewall switch off, finish. Okay, so the job of now the XP is over now. Now moving on to the Kali. Kali, we need to change the IP address. Okay, change the IP address. So where do we change the IP address? Using leaf pad. So what I do now, okay, I type the leaf pad here. Okay, this is the Kali. I type the leaf pad. Okay, leaf pad. Okay, and then the leaf pad open. It's like a notepad open. Okay, and then file open. Okay, where the file system, and then go to the etc. Inside etc, network folder. So press N. Okay, so the network folder you can find out. So I can just write down here, okay, the interface address, okay, the folder name, okay, okay, the folder name is what, okay, okay, file system, okay, system, and then move on to what you called etc. Okay, again I do file system etc, and then move on to network. Okay, and then move on to, okay, just network, press N. Okay, and then interfaces. Okay, interfaces. Okay, interfaces. So in this case we see the interfaces. Okay, in the file we have by default DHCP. Okay, by default it is DHCP. Just to comment this, okay, and just to copy this line, Control C, select and Control C, and this comment it, okay, and just go down and paste and make it what I have written here. Okay, similar one. Okay, so just to copy here. Okay, I just copy here. Okay, or I will just type here static. Okay, and address. Okay, 10.0.0.5 net mask. Okay, net mask 255.0.0.0. Okay, finish. So this is the configuration you have to do very carefully. You have to do, if there is any spelling mistake, the IP address will not be assigned. Okay, Control S, and I just close it here. Okay, and going back, I just start the service. So before starting the service, I go to the second step, which is network settings. Okay, the network setting is kind of I go to the VirtualBox. Okay, in the VirtualBox I will just make Kali. Go click on Kali and XP, find the network. Okay, in channel network, make sure that all VMs are allowed. Okay, virtual, okay, promiscuous mode all allows. Click OK. Okay, done with the VirtualBox setting, network setting. Now go back to the Kali, the third step, service networking restart. Okay, sorry, service, okay, service networking restart. Clear command to make the screen clear, and if config, okay, the IP address is assigned here. The IP address is assigned here. Okay, so this is the way you can assign the IP address. Okay, and run the service. So the command for running the service, as I told you, this is the command. Okay, service networking restart. So there is one more command I have written there. In case your network icon is not enabled, okay, here in the top right corner, about right corner. So this one we just make, for example, if down, okay, E0, if I just write down, then the icon become red color. You see that the icon, network icon like XP, it is red color. So for that you need to just make it up. Okay, so not necessarily use this command, but sometime if there is a problem, you can use this command. Okay, so this is the one way you can use. So this is over now. Okay, network service, everything is restarted. Now the final step, pinking XP and Kali. So what is a XP command? Step 1, XP, okay, checking the IP, okay, command to check, command for checking IP address in XP is, okay, IP config, okay, okay, command for checking IP address in Kali is if config. Okay, just to change away. Okay, okay, if config, right. So go to command. Okay, this is already in the command. So XP, I go to start and run command. Okay, if, okay, IP config. Okay, so the IP address is 10.0.0.1. Here it is if config. Okay, so the IP address is 10.0.0.5. Now we are going to ping. Okay, I'm checking the continuity. So ping 10.0.0.5. Okay, it pings. Okay, here ping 10.0.0.1, it pings here. Okay, so to stop in Kali you have to press Ctrl C, otherwise you have to specify a specific command for a number of packets to be pinged. Okay, this is what the integration of Kali and XP. And if you want to check the firewall configuration, okay, firewall settings, okay, for example, if I ping here, okay, it pings. Okay, when I switch on the firewall, it will not ping. Okay, it stopped here. Okay, it stopped here. So again go back, firewall settings, I just switch off, it pings, okay, automatically. Okay, so this is the difference why I switch off the firewall. Okay, but without switching off the firewall also we can check the condition to enable the ICMP2 flow between the XP and Kali. Okay students, this is what we have for the first lab. Okay, uh, Kali, okay, XP and Kali integration. Okay, XP and Kali integration. Okay, done. Okay, thanks. Clear.